Hi, welcome to my channel and another unboxing or unpacking video from my favourite online retailer, Everything5Pounds.com. So while I'm just opening the packaging, please remember to like, share and subscribe and comment on this video, and also let me know which is your favourite item. Now, I have been shopping from Everything5Pounds.com for the last few months, but this is the first time I've actually had to sit down and record a video for you. So we're going to get the first item out, and this is a long line top in a lovely moss green colour. I purchased to wear with trousers. Now when I wear trousers, I do like my tops to cover my bottom and my stomach, so this is a lovely long line tunic. And I'm just looking at the label there. Sometimes I try to figure out which retailer it's from. I think this is a Primark one. And you can see it's got that lovely gold button detail on the front, lovely deep V-neck. So I think I probably need to wear a t-shirt or a camisole underneath. I love the splits on the side. I'm looking at the label again there, and I'm 99% certain this is a Primark item. They do cut the labels out so that you don't take them back to the shop and get your money back, because you've only paid £5 for it, and they might cost more in the shop, so they don't want you to do that. So that's that lovely moss green top with the gold button detail. So the next item I'm getting out is a lilac and black top. And this one's still got the label in. I'm assuming that we don't have that retailer in the UK, so that's why they've left the label in. And this top has got a lovely black trim around the neck and around the sleeves. It's a 3/4 length sleeve again, and it's a back wing shape. So you'll just see in a second once I've got it out of the packaging. And what I love about this top is that beautiful beading detail on the front, and it also got a flower detail. So you can see there in a second, there you go, you can see the 3D flower applique detail. It looks absolutely gorgeous and worth much more than £5. That's sort of a knitted material, lovely lilac and black. Go great with my black Primark trouser, which I've had for years and years, which I absolutely love. So anytime I can get a top that matches those, I'm really happy. This next item is a pair of jeggings. I love jeggings. I love any type of pull-on trouser or skirt because I'm really lazy and I hate doing up buttons and zips and faffing about with those things. So anytime I see something that is elasticated, I'm all over it. Checking the label again, I don't know what manufacturer that is. And I love this sort of indigo pattern, the indigo fabric of these jeggings. I'm looking for the label, see if I can see which manufacturer it is, but there's no label in there. Now the waist does look a little bit big, but I think it should be okay because it's elasticated and it's got the faux pockets on the front and pockets on the back as well. So that's a lovely pair of jeggings. And those will look nice with a pair of high-heeled ankle boots or some knee-high boots, and possibly look nice with that the first top that I got out as well. This is a lovely pink top. I know it looks a bit sort of salmon coral colour on the video, but it is actually pink. And those of us of a certain age remember that name, Canda. That's from C&A, which is a very popular retailer in the UK many years ago. I think they're only abroad now. The last time I saw one was in Portugal about 3 or 4 years ago. So that's a lovely top. It's got a sort of pleat detail on the front. Again, 3/4 length sleeves, elasticated, and it's got a lovely tie neck. And that is a beautiful pink colour. And again, that would be nice to wear with trousers, perhaps grey trousers, black trousers, or jeans. And I love that detail on the front. Now this is the final item. And again, I don't think we have that retailer in the UK. That's why it's still in the packet. So just bear with me while I open it up and you can see what it is. It's got a beautiful faux fur collar on the front. Again, that's the name of the retailer, Victoria, I think it is. Beautiful faux fur collar. And this is actually a cape. Now, I've wanted a cape for years and years and years. I absolutely love capes. I think they look really sophisticated and elegant. And they're so easy to wear. You just throw them over your shoulders and do the buttons up. This is a gorgeous one. It is fully lined. And it does have pockets. And I love the button detail, 3-button detail there on the front. And this is perfect for this summer here when it's still a little bit chilly. Easy to wear a chunky jumper underneath that rather than struggling to get your coat on. Look at that, it's absolutely gorgeous. You can't believe that I actually paid just £5 for that. It was absolutely beautiful and a beautiful red colour. And I think that's going to look really lovely and elegant and sophisticated with a pair of leather gloves and matched with some lovely high heel boots. So I'm really pleased with that purchase. So that's the cape. This is the long sleeve, the long line top, the 3/4 length sleeve and that lovely pleat detail down the front. Back to the jeggings again. And so the waist looks a tiny bit big, but I think it'll be right because it's elasticated. And back to the lilac top with the absolutely gorgeous detail on the front. Look at that, I absolutely love that flower. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and the beading, beautiful. And the first item, which was the moss green long line top with the gold button detail, Primark, I think. But you have a guess in the comments where you think these clothes come from. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.